Yes, so earlier on I shot a video on how to add a matter, and inside the matter there are usually details of opposing counsel that you need to add, so that next time maybe you need to correspond with them, you just pick those details directly from the matter. Or there could also be details of the quorum, that means the judges or the magistrates in conduct of the matter. So I want to show you how to add details of opposing counsel and quorum. Okay, so you go to settings, right there you will see quorum and you will see opponents. So we start with opponents. So opponents, these are opposing counsel or counsels that you are in matters with. Okay, so you just add. The name could be Kaplan and Fratton LLP. You put in their email there, kaplan@gmail.com. Their contact details, you put them there. Their physical address, the mall, room 458. Put in their website, www.kaplan.com. You can describe their deal in real estate and succession matters mostly, or you can profile them as you wish. Just so primary contact person Martin Olunga, he is the managing partner. The managing partner mustn't be the primary contact person. It could as well be a clerk, it could as well be an associate, but this helps you with that. And then you can put in the firm's email, that could be Kaplan@gmail. So it either be the firm's email or the advocate's email. Remember, you already have the firm's email here, and these are the details of the contact person. So if you populate them, then the next time you want to serve them with documents, after maybe you've called them that you'll be serving them via email, it becomes easier. You can also put in their numbers, just in case court happens and you're not in attendance. You can just always come and call them back and find out what transpired in court. You can add a secondary contact, just in case the first one is not going through, or the firm emails, the firm contact details are not reliable. Then you can have a secondary contact details. So this is just a way in which you can set yourself up solidly to be able to handle matters with opposing counsel in a streamlined way. Okay, so after you do that, you add opponent. So when you add opponent and you have all their details there, it's easier. Anytime you want to get in touch with them, it's very easy. Anytime you want to serve them via email, especially now with the emails being a primary mode of service, this is a very useful way of capturing this information. Okay, so now when you're adding a matter, after you've added opposing counsel, down here when it comes to opponents, you wouldn't need to type them on the cuff because they're already in the database. You've added them, so you just start typing and it will auto suggest. All right, the same thing with quorum. So let me show you real quick how to do the quorum bit. So as I said, the quorum is the magistrates and the judges. So you go to settings, you hit quorum right there, you add say Justice Obura J or Obura K, Court Station, Milimani High Court. Email address, if you have their email address, you'll put in there their contact number. If you do have the judge's contact number, I highly doubt, but you can put in there. You can describe the judge and profile them as you wish. They're punctual, this is how they like to do their things, etc, etc. You can put in the primary contact if you have the judge's contact or the clerk's contact. So it's always useful to have some of these contacts. You can have the name and the position being the clerk, her email and a contact number, just in case you need to get any information from the judge. And then you can have secondary contact. Okay, so once you do that, you come and add Quorum. So we are working on also adding the links for these particular judges. So when you come to matters, you don't need to keep going to EKLR to look for the court links. Once you add them once under the Quorum, they'll be accessible both under the Quorum and under the matter right here. So under the matter, you'll be able to see the court link somewhere here or somewhere down here. So you just come and click on it, and you're logged into Microsoft Teams. So that's it. So once you do that, when you're adding the matter, under Quorum down here, you don't need to add it on the cuff. You just search, say Obura K, it will appear, you add. Okay, so that's how you do it. Cheers.